just to be patient. It does take time. And, don't worry so much. I know money is a big thing, but try not to worry too much about the investment because it's in your body. It's, you use your teeth every single day. And you really need to be able to chew and be able to live a full life. And, then you get that beautiful smile at the end and it's all well worth it. I was a little self-conscious of it just because of, losing several teeth. I didn't do a whole lot of smiling just because of that reason. Even when I went out to eat, I was kind of like apprehensive a lot of times because it took me longer to eat than everybody else, But now I have these beautiful teeth and I'm on my merry way. Well, I can smile a lot more. I can eat better and my digestive system's better just because I can chew things and I get compliments all the time. My self-confidence has been boosted, so it's been a great journey.